These beauties. Oh, that's sweet. Oh, I love the hair. Look at the flowers. Wow, look at you. You're gorgeous. Oh, you're very sweet too. Very nice dogs. Lovely. Oh, wow, you are very friendly, aren't you? Aren't you gorgeous? Aren't you gorgeous? Look at your lovely face. Oh, I like his coat.
Yeah.
Is it a boy or a girl?
Boy.
Oh boy. Oh,
Yeah,
very nice.
old.
Oh, he's gorgeous.
Yeah.
Oh, you are just lovely, aren't you? You are just lovely.
Yeah.
Wow. Oh, hello, hello. Oh, look at you. Stop. You're barking at me. Oh, let's be friends. Hello. Oh, this one's nice. Oh, thank you very much. Thank you. Oh, you're sweet, aren't you? Hello. Oh, definitely a girl, I think. Oh, lovely. All dressed up. Lovely in pink. Hello, you. Hello, girl. Wow, very well behaved. Hello, parrot. What are you eating? It's a piece of nothing. Are you trying to escape? There's a lock on there too. Is it a boy or a girl?
Girl.
Oh God, it's gorgeous. What a lovely face. It's like a wolf. Hello. How old is she?
4.
4. Oh, what an absolute beauty. Wow. You're very lucky to have that. Hello. Hello, beauty. Oh, look at you. Wow, you look like a teddy bear. You don't look real. Wow. Wow. You can have a look. Oh, that's so sweet.
Yeah.
Oh, thank you. Is it a boy or a girl?
What?
Is it a boy or a girl?
It's a girl.
It's a girl. Wow. And how old is she?
6 years old.
6 years old. Oh, what a sweetie. She's got lovely, lovely fur. Cool ones, aren't they? Oh, look at these. Hello. Hello. Oh, you are lovely. Look at the face. Look at that tongue. Hello. Oh, very friendly as well. Oh, beautiful dogs. Oh, lovely. Thank you very much. Hello. Wow, look at that coat.
Hello.
Hello, you.
Hello.
Wow. Oh, if I can get you.
Hello.
Wow, look at that. Must take a long time to give that a brush. Wow, lovely. Look at you. Oh, thank you so much. Wow. That's a noisy thing, isn't it? Oh, look at these two. They're lovely. Are they Bichon Frise? Yeah. Bichon Frise. Oh, hello. I thought so. Oh, gorgeous. Oh, thank you. Wow, these are beautiful. Aren't they lovely? Well, they look like toys. Wow, so lovely and furry. Wow, look at you. Look at you. Wow, very brave. Oh, hello. Oh, you are
Soso, his name.
What's his name?
Soso.
Oh, is he? Oh,
He
let
is
me have
friendly.
a look. Oh, he looks lovely.
Yes, he
oh,
went
look at you. You want to give me a lick, don't you? Oh, no. Oh, he's gorgeous. Oh, how old is he?
3 years old.
3 years old. Wow, I'm trying to get his face. Wow, he's sneezing at me. Hello. Oh, this is beautiful. The small one. Brown one. Hello. Hello, you. Oh, and you got one behind as well. Oh, lovely. Very sweet.